We're very excited to announce the release of Oxygen XML Web Author 27. This video will present some highlights of new features that were added in this version. You now have the ability to highlight document content using predefined colors. There's a convenient drop-down button on the toolbar where you can choose a color, and then you can use the mouse to highlight content. This is especially helpful for reviewing large or sensitive documents, such as a legal document as in our example. You can use different colors according to your specific needs. For example, each reviewer could use a different color, or each color could represent the urgency or type of review item, etc. Notice that you can see and remove highlights from the review pane. The Diff and Merge tool now supports comparing non-XML files. In our example, we're comparing two versions of a Markdown file. You can clearly see the differences in the side-by-side comparison, and you can merge the changes just like with XML files. Text mode file comparisons are now possible. There's a toggle text mode button on the toolbar that can be used to switch to text mode at any time. And if this message that no visual differences were detected is displayed, you can click this Show Diffs in Text Mode link. This feature is helpful in cases where the visual comparison mode doesn't detect differences in things such as processing instructions, indentations, or white spaces, as in our example. A new feature is available for integrators to make DITA maps editable in a specialized tree editor. It has toolbar buttons for organizing and editing a map. You can use copy-paste actions or drag and drop to move references. You can also add references, organize, and edit the map using various contextual menu actions, like this one to edit profiling attributes. And we'll click this toolbar button to show the profiling attributes. Numerous enhancements and new actions were implemented for the AI Positron Assistant plugin. One example is a new action to update content based on images. It reads and analyzes images referenced in the topic to identify missing information and proposes updates to the content accordingly. We can preview the proposed changes, and in our example you can see that the AI identified some things in the image that weren't mentioned in the topic, and it proposed content to add the missing items. Some new actions were added to help review content. We'll select some content in our sample and use the new Proofread action. It will look for issues in the content regarding things such as consistency, grammar, and readability, and then it will add comments with suggestions for fixing the issues. We'll preview it, and we'll hover over one of the comments, and you can see that it is suggesting to change a phrase. There's also a new review action to propose changes based on existing comments. So we'll use this action on our previous example where the AI added comments while proofreading the content. We'll preview the proposed changes, and the AI proposed various changes to the document based on suggestions found in the existing comments, and it also proposed removing the comments. The new split topic action can be used to split large DITA topics into multiple smaller topics. It can be found in the new Intelligent Agent category that contains actions designed to streamline DITA topic management. This action analyzes the topic, and if it's large and contains multiple subjects, it proposes to split the topic into several topics based on modularity best practices. After processing, you can see that it condensed the original topic and added related links to the new topics it created. Also in the Intelligent Agents category, the Expand Draft action enhances a DITA topic by using information gathered from the document content while also learning from similar topics found in related links. We'll preview the proposed changes, and in our example, it used some brief instructions from the original topic and proposed content and structure based on information it learned from the similar topic. These were just a handful of examples of the new features and enhancements that were implemented in Oxygen XML Web Author 27. For a complete list of all the additions, see our What's New page on our website.